Good morning, everyone. Look who showed up today. This this morning where I'm at. My friend, look at him. Just out here begging. Hi, pal. What you want? You want something to eat? Huh? What? Well, oh boy, here we go. I gotta watch him. He a mess. Okay, here I go. Watch. Hold up, buddy. Hold it, huh? Look, no. Come on. Hi, friend. Hey, bud. Come on. Come on, pal. No, you're not. Look at him just messing with aggressive. Get out. Bye. Look, go. Get your buns off. Bye. Get out. Go. Look. Get your. I'm gonna stop feeding you. Get out. Come on. Go. Go, pal. Go. Good golly. Miss Mom. Come on. All right, friend. Let me. A little dirty. Whatchamacallit. Come on, pal. Here, buddy. You're just there. Go ahead. He's eating good. They eat good. Come on, pal. Come on with your little aggressive self. I'm not. No, you're not. No. Trying to get in my house. Mess. Messing with you. Just messing with you. Go ahead. You wanted something to eat? I got you something, pal. You got some good stuff, pal. You kidding me? I gotta watch him. He tries to get in the house, y'all. All right, bye, bud. Bye-bye. Had me spilling all this dang on gravy. He acting all snobby. That is rotisserie. That is rotisserie chicken and rice. It's the bones. Some of the bones. You cool.